Hey, so this is me, Adi. So a few days ago I was feeling very bored doing traditional art and I always wanted to try digital art. So I think it is pretty clear that what this video will be going to be about. So today I will try digital art for the first time. But to draw digital art, firstly I need to buy a graphics tablet. So let's order an amazing graphics tablet.
I'm keeping me captive, put locks on the doors.
So let's see what is in the box.
In the ocean, Kit Kats forever phoning. They take a token, start zoning. They look at
in this box I got a tablet, a digital pen, a cool pen stand, 8 extra nibs, some cables and some boring stuff. So let's set up the tablet. And for this I am going to use my PC.
Yeah, she love bitch a lot. But she does the job, I brack it out then send it off. I don't trust a lot, there's more than what they're letting on. Enough times I've had the cops force me to park it off. Enough times I've seen a don.
So let's do it.
Half-hearted dons.
It is so satisfying. I'm starting by drawing the basic shapes of the character.
Look at me, I Chinese and say bring me in on your.
It is looking epic. Sketching is done, let's ink it.
Like I was in demon bits with some demon
Let's do
demon spliffs.
I'm starting by masking the character. Clothes are done, now it's time to color the face. Let's paint the background.
Make it to us tonight, just thinking of the days, no seas, and miles divide us. Dance around the
Enjoy the reveal. Bye.
The music plays, but I can't feel the groove. I'm just here, you know I wanna find the perfect song.